So here it is, my aquaponic system. I'm probably going to be running koi and goldfish in this, maybe bait if I get busy enough. So it comes up from the pump there, and then goes up to that double 90, up through the pipe back there, into the sprayer. Those are adjustable. I will be turning them back to spray against here once I get the rock. This will have media covering the whole top, so you won't see any of this. Maybe a little bit of the teeth. I built a little cage here, siliconed it in. Right now I have a coarse filter sponge from an aquarium in here. This is just some blue filter material. Eventually I can just do whatever I want in there for mechanical filtration. And then it comes down through here. I got it on this, just to swivel this here so that I can clear from the front back to the pump or get it out of my way. Currently there's an overflow. I've just capped it off. I'm not going to be using it for a while. I've still got a lot of work to do on the porch. This is eventually where it is going to be going, and it will be wrapped with a reed fencing around it and trimmed out so it looks a little prettier. I'll have some lights around it and everything. There is going to be a light hanging from the ceiling over the grow bed, adjustable light, grow light. And then, but before I do all of that, I need to replace that window. So this is going to sit here for now. I'll probably end up draining it so I can move it around easier. But I've still got to do, as you can see, all of the work here. So I want to keep it out of the way. It will be going in that corner temporarily while I work on that wall and that window. And at that point I will be putting the overflow into this drain here. It's just loose, but poured that drain into the concrete and it just stubs out on the outside. But I'll have a mop sink here, and then that draining into it, the IBC tote. And then eventually, once I've got it back over here, I'll have to plumb from there and drop along there and then come along there for the overflow. That way I can do automatic water changes. I don't have to worry about too much. And if need be, if I want to suction out a bunch of it, I can just put a hose on the end of that that 1-inch or that 2-inch drain pipe, and then just use it as a siphon to vacuum out whatever I need. I will be growing mint in this. I've got a few different types ordered. It seems to do pretty well in it, so since it's a heavy feeder, I imagine I can load that tank pretty well. I do have a leak in the drain, but I'm probably just going to go ahead and silicone that off because I really don't have any intention of using it in the first place. So, but it's pretty successful leak test and function test. That's really the only problem. That's it.